I'm on fire.
Go on.
I think you're probably right there. I'm not gonna lie.
Frank.
Get up.
Frank.
Go on.
Frank.
Wake up.
Frank. Frieza, why you babysitting? Only 2 or 3 shots.
Oh, never mind.
I'm gonna show you how to turn it up a
Yeah, I was about
notch.
to say you're probably like right there.
First you get a trading room full of gravity, you dive in.
I was sitting there look. I was like, what is?
Yellow nigga, yellow nigga, yellow nigga, yeah.
Blue nigga, blue nigga, blue nigga, purple nigga, purple nigga, purple nigga.
Yeah. Black nigga, black.
I love the
nigga.
Mortal Kombat for
Girl.
How was your day at school?
I may be lacking a chromosome, but my chrome ain't black.
Yeah, hell yeah.
black. Well, no way.
Fuck yeah, man.
The only one who isn't black, I think, is Nick, right?
Oh, Nick, look at me real quick. He's more Hispanic. He gets a
Yeah.
pass.
Me no black, papi. Me no black.
Me Dominican, me no black
You
puppy.
see? Oh, me Dominican.
I ain't no black. I ain't Dominican. I'm Puerto Rican. I know black. Be looking just like me. Be having the same hair. I be touching it like, it's not the same. It's not the same. It's not the same, papi. It's not the same. They try to salsa that shit off. I be like, no, it's not the same. I know black. Negro nunca, nunca. I know no, nunca. I know black. I'm like,
I see a woman out here. What you gonna do?
You should greet yourself to her.
Dumbass bitch.
Damn.
Big T, hold on. You're supposed to be a gentleman.
Nah, she for the streets.
All right, man. All right.
Question.
Yeah, it's.
Check it back.
Oh, I'm sorry. You yelled at me.
Sit down there,
Did he hurt your feelings?
Hear my feelings.
Oh, fuck
You
Melon.
only do it 4.
Yeah, can you get
I
up
just
to
cut open a watermelon.
What's up, Jaden?
I just cut open a
That's
watermelon. I mean,
To LeBlanc. LeBlanc, like Persona 5.
Holy shit.
It's true that I turned my back on the original reality. But where's the harm in that? When it grows to be too much, too painful, every person deserves to escape that! In all honesty, it's best for a person's growth when they tackle their own hardships. But reality doesn't always make that so feasible! I must have always been afraid. Afraid you and I wouldn't wish for the same reality. I gave up everything! Everything! So why? Why, Rumi? No matter how much you try, or work for so long, the smallest injustice can wipe it all out, leave you with nothing. Don't you, of all people, understand that?
Please, it took me so much time.
Wait, hold on. Stop. We can carve her.
Yeah.
Carver.
Oh god.
I'm just saying, please don't take my arrows.
oh, what the hell? Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Epstein.
Yo, look, it's the president. Get in there.
Oh, what the fuck hit me? Who shot me from there?
What do you see?
Oh, I see.
Christian, you look ugly as fuck, I ain't gonna lie, B.
Suck are you talking about with your fucking makeshift ass shiesty, bruh?
You also a
You're a hunter,
shiesty.
gatherer, ass
Bro,
fucking
you
Hawaii
looking like a
dude. Shut the
fucking-
fuck
you
up. I
look
don't
like
want
a
to fucking
BDSM
hear it.
master,
You
bro. Oh my god, get fucked up.
my god, no, goddamn, bruh.
We have flares.
Shit.
Yeah, it's a little camp. We're gonna go around that one. If you guys
Oh.
could.
Never mind.
Yeah.
It's going.
Alright. Danny, if you want to go, follow me.
Will those
We're gonna go
fighters
around it.
watching Goku fight?
Tanique Goku. Hey, yo,
Gohan, get down here!
Come on, Tanique, defeat Perfect Pro.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I think
Good lord.
Yeah, you got pistol bullets.
Pistol bullets.
Yeah,
Alright, I'm back.
Which one of those? The
Alright,
9
guys,
millimeter?
grip up. We're
yeah,
about
the
to go.
9mm.
Give me a second. Cause you my homie.
rifle ammo.
Oh my god, you big, sexy man. Oh my god.
If only that actually came from a woman. I got a deer. I got deer kill. Let's go.
My big, strong hunter over there.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. It is very humane.
Hello. Go
What did
on.
they do to you,
What did it do?
Yo.
Gohan!
Baby,
they
you
do
were
to
my
you?
only friend.
Gohan!
Hey.
If you let that cannibal out, it'll be the end of all of us!
No.
Don't worry.
It's a river. Wait.
In a dry land. I'm king of the meat bag.
Go crazy! Ah, go stupid! Ah, go crazy! Go stupid! Ah, go crazy! Yeah.
You know
House
what?
is trying to get Christian, bro.
What the fuck is that?
That's a gang.
Holy shit, it's a Beatles album.
That's so stupid. That's so stupid.
Am I wrong though?
No.
Nah, you're
Exactly.
completely
Why
right.
is he not lying? Why is he telling the truth?
Why is he not lying?
Alright, let's go in the cave.
Go make the blade.
Yo, he's just like that one fucking homeless dude. You
That's what I was saying.
ごめん、アマナイ。俺は今、